Okay, guys, the trend trading strategy actually worked on these two assets. Okay, I applied this trend trading strategy on the two assets which I will be showing you in this video. Okay, and they are GainX 1200 and PainX 1200. I applied this strategy on them yesterday, and I used it to analyze the market, and I gave out the signal within my Telegram channel, and of course you're going to see the results in this video. Okay, so let's go straight into what we have right here. Before we do that, guys, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Remember, this video is for educational purpose. Okay, so if you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. And if you want to reach out to me personally, you can contact me on WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp number. I will be there to reply you. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, I actually picked up two major assets. Okay, and I got them when the trend was favorable. Okay, so the first asset happened to be GainX 1200. This is 15 minutes time frame. And in case you are wondering about the look of the charts, I am actually using a custom made indicator, and it helped me to analyze the market better. Okay, it is called a 3M trend milker indicator. Okay, you can contact me to know more about it. Okay, I realized that this particular asset actually got to the support zone, and it has not been able to break out from there. So since it's unable to break out from there, then definitely it should give us an uptrend. Okay, I'm just trying to let you know how I did my analysis um, to know that this is going to go on uptrend. And of course, I follow the trend to the very end. Okay. So like I've always been telling you, you can see this is GainX 1200. It means that if we are buying, then we are trading the spikes. Okay. So I've always been telling you, you don't try to catch the spike. Okay. If you are doing that, you might be getting it wrong. Okay, you should try to trade the spikes. Okay, so we decide to trade the spikes here. I think I've done video on that several times, so I decided to put it into practice with you guys. Okay, I put out this signal in the Telegram platform. Okay, we had our entry point at this point. Okay, and we put the stop loss right here, and you can see this actually went up, achieved the first TP, and came down, went up again, still came down again, and almost got to the stop loss. Okay, but it didn't get to the stop loss, it went back up again. The reason is this is actually on uptrend, and I believe that it should buy more. Of course, there are situations whereby the market can misbehave and makes it to go back the other direction. But if you have done your analysis very well and you are using the right risk management, then definitely you will, or you are most likely to get it right. Okay, so it went back up again, and of course broke out from here. It took some time actually, but it went in our favor. Okay, and achieved TP2, TP3, came down again and went ahead to achieve TP4 and TP5. You can imagine on 15 minutes time frame, we started the trade somewhere here. Okay, and it lasted till this moment. Okay, so this is so amazing, guys. Okay, this is so amazing, and it was a big opportunity for each and every one of us. Okay, so I'm really happy that we are able to achieve this together. Okay, now let's check out PainX 1200. I told you I also analyze the this particular asset using the same strategy, and I put out the signals in the Telegram channel also. Okay, so this was on downtrend also. Remember, this is PainX, so when you are buying, we are doing the normal trading, we are not trading the spikes. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so I noticed that it was unable to break out from here, and of course it gave us the uptrend signal. And of course when I noticed that it is a bit stabilized, I gave us our entry point at this point. Okay, and I put the stop loss somewhere here, and it got to the first TP, second TP, third TP, and fourth TP. This is also 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so this is so amazing. We achieved all the TPs in the signal given that I gave out in the Telegram channel. I am really happy that we are able to achieve this together. Okay, so this is how I got my signals. Okay, first of all, I check out where the market is. Okay, this actually I had to wait for this to get to the support zone. I waited a bit for me to know if it's going to break out below it or not. When I realized that it's not going to break out below it, I had to wait for the uptrend signal. It's the indicator gave me the uptrend signal, and of course I look for the best way to go into the market, and we went into the market, set my stop loss. Like I always tell you, your risk management techniques or skills is very, very important. Okay, so and I set my stop loss and I set the TPs, and of course that was it. It is as easy as that. Okay, like I've always been telling you, if you study or understand the aspect of trend trading strategy very well, you are most likely to be milking the market all the time. Right now, it has got into the resistance zone. I'm waiting for it to see if it will break out above it or not. If it's not, then we are ready to sell again. Okay. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.